So here we got the Viterbi split keyboard. Just finished building this a few days ago. So far, I am liking it. It's my first ever build. My first time ever doing a soldering project. So soldering didn't come out too good, but hey, it's still functioning. Here we got Pro Micros, got the jack. Left side is the master side. So got the reset switches on both. Right there. It's a Viterbi version 2, so it's gonna be the white PCB. And using basic layout, here we got backspace, space, all the rest of the keys over here. Besides, yeah, all the rest of the keys, I am gonna change them. This was just like a test because it's my first ever build. But yeah, these are all gonna change. Besides these two right here on the outside, gonna use some of the blues from macros. Yeah, it's just the first update. I'll update you guys more as I go along.